Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you doing? Hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome back to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman Hossain, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic, first of all, unseen paragraph. Secondly, I will fix up the portion of story for your dictation test. And finally, we will discuss your oral sheet. So, my beloved students, you are requested to open your buzzword book also. I need your buzzword book only for today's class. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will see unseen paragraph. This paragraph number 2, topic is pet cat. Your pet cat. You know that you have to write the answer of the following question, then your paragraph will be okay. So there will be given some questions, and if you answer the questions, then your paragraph will be made. So the first question is, what's the name of your pet cat? What kind of animal is the cat? How many legs, eyes, ears and tail does it have? How are its claws? With what is its body covered? What's the cat fond of? What does it eat? Okay, these are the clues, and these sentences, these questions will help you to write a paragraph. First of all, we need a topic sentence, starting sentence. Everybody wants to have a pet cat, pet animal like this. I am also not different from this. I have a pet cat and its name is Montu. I have a pet cat and its name is Montu. It's topic sentence, and my first question answer is also given here. So the cat is a little animal. What kind of animal is the cat? Cat is a little animal. Then question number C, an answer is also given. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears and a tail. Its claws are very sharp. How are its claws? Its claws are very sharp. Its body is covered with soft hair. With what is its body covered? Answer is here. Then next question, with what is its body covered? It also given. Its body is covered with soft hair. The cat is fond of milk. Okay, it eats fish and flesh. It likes to eat bones and little fish. It kills mice and keeps our house free from mice. So, cat is very useful to us. This is the closing sentence. You must need topic sentence, I mean starting sentence, and a topic and the closing sentence in your paragraph. And then answer the following question, then your paragraph will be made. Okay, now open your buzzword book. I will fix up the portion of your story which is very important for your story dictation. It's page number 79. Page number 79 from your buzzword book. Open and go to page number 79. And this portion is fixed for your for your story dictation. This portion is reserved for your story dictation. It started from here. You know that in your story dictation test, in your final test, the speaker or the teacher will produce or read out the story. You must listen carefully, then you need to write with the teacher's reading. But you can't repeat, you can't produce any sound during test. You can ask again and again your teacher, can you repeat? You can't ask any question. But you must be silent, you must hear the teacher speech, and then you can write. Teacher will repeat if he needs, but not more than twice. Here it will be started from here. You can fix up. Now identify the portion. Here it started page number 79, this portion. I stood like one who had seen a ghost, full stop. I looked around and listened, full stop. I went to the top of a little hill to look further, full stop. Then I walked up and down the shore, full stop. I saw no other friends, full stop. I came back to look once more at what I had seen, full stop. Was I dreaming? Question mark. I looked at the footprint closely again, full stop. Yes, comma, there, comma, in the sand, comma, was the print of a man's foot, Here is apostrophe S and finally full stop. I was not dreaming. Full stop. How did it come to be there? Question mark. Who was he? Question mark. How did he get there? This is dictation number 1. This is dictation number 1. Now go to page number 103 page. Now go to page number 103 page. This is dictation number 2. It started from second para. As a child, I spent my days in the grasslands, playing and fighting with the other village boys, full stop. By 5, I became a herd boy, looking after sheep and calves in the fields, full stop. I loved caring for these animals. I saw them as a source of food and oil, a blessing from God and a cause of happiness. In the fields, I learned to play with a slingshot, to gather honey and roots, to drink warm milk straight from the cow, to swim in fast flowing streams, and to catch fish with a twine, full stop. I was taught to fight with sticks and became quite skilled at it. I would strike in one direction, then quickly step away in another. From these early days, I became fond of open spaces and the simple beauties of nature. This is dictation number 2. I am repeating. Your first dictation started page number 79. Your second dictation is page number 103. And this blue color pen is underlined or is fixed up your portion. Number 1 and number 2 is all done. Now take your HW. HW number 14, unseen paragraph. Your topic is your birthday party. Write a paragraph about your birthday party. Follow the suggestion. In your suggestion, these questions are given. Following this question, you have to make this paragraph. That will be your SW. Now we will discuss oral sheet. Please open your oral sheet, English literature oral sheet. Question number 1. What do you know about Reshma? Answer. Reshma is a garment worker in Dhaka. Number 2. How far is the garment factory from Reshma's house? The garment factory is 2 kilometers far from her house. Who is SM Sultan? SM Sultan is a famous painter of our country. Where does Alvi live in? Alvi lives in Dhaka. Tell me something about Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was the greatest leader and the president of South Africa. Why was he awarded the Nobel Prize in Peace? He was awarded Nobel Prize in Peace because he established the rights of the black people in his country. When was he awarded the Nobel Prize? He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1993. Why did the lion become angry? The lion became angry because the mouse ran onto the lion's nose and broke the lion's leg. Who didn't fear the lion? All the animals feared the lion, but one little mouse didn't fear him. Tell me last or first 4 lines from Sweet Things Are Beautiful. You must memorize this poem. Whenever your teacher will ask, then you must answer. Okay, prepare yourself. When did you make the visit to the zoo? It's up to you. You can arrange your answer as your own way. Okay, next number. How many kinds of hornbills are there in the world? There are 54 different types of hornbills in the world. With how many partners do hornbills stay for their whole life? Hornbills stay with one partner for their whole life. Where do hornbills give birth to their babies? Hornbills give birth to their babies in the holes of the trees. When did Robinson Crusoe set out on a voyage? At the age of 18, Robinson Crusoe set out on a voyage. How long did Robinson Crusoe live on the island? Robinson Crusoe lived on the island for about 28 years. How is Fatima? Fatima is a very kind and good-hearted person. Who would like to inform the Caliph about the mutual love of the 2 brothers? The old neighbor would like to inform the Caliph about the mutual love of the 2 brothers. Who has written the poem Travel? Edna St. Vincent Millay has written the poem Travel. Who is the writer of the poem Sweet Things Are Beautiful? Elizabeth Cotsworth is the writer of the poem Sweet Things Are Beautiful. Can you recite the poem Travel? You must recite on that time. Who has written the book Long Walk to Freedom? Nelson Mandela, the great South African leader, has written the book Long Walk to Freedom. What has he described in the book? he has described about his life and struggle in his book Long Walk to Freedom. What did Crusoe dream about? Crusoe dreamed that he had gone back to London and was walking down the street in his goatskin clothes. Why does Abdullah want to add a few sheaves of corn to Ahmad's barn? Ahmed is young and has no one to look after him. Abdullah wants to add a few sheaves to his barn so that he can save some money for the future. My beloved students, I hope you have understood our today's story dictation. You have already fixed up your story dictation portion and you got the HW also. So take preparation for annual examination. So practice the rest of the part of competency based question and other things. It may be my last class with you. So thank you very much for watching us. Allah Hafiz.